Hi everyone, this is Munir from Cake WP, and today I'm excited to demonstrate you my new plugin which is called Anything Popup. And obviously this lets you design pop-ups in Divi and blah blah, and it has you will be able to create all the kind of pop-ups which you can imagine, like email subscription, login forms, and the promotional banners, etc. Any kind of pop-up, video pop-up, welcome mat, exit intent, etc. And this should be the easiest Divi pop-up plugin you may have ever seen, because I'll show you in a while why I'm saying this. So it this is why I'm saying this. It basically converts any of your section, Divi section or raw on the page to a pop-up, and that can output a self trigger, which may be a button or image, or you can link that section to trigger via an external via some other Divi module, such as Divi button module, image button, image module, etc. And obviously it's fully responsive, because all the responsive settings are you have applied to your section or raw will get applied to your pop-up. And you can obviously create different kinds of pop-up using this plugin, as you can see. And there are some nicely configured trigger options you available for you, which is on page exit intent, uh, and on page load, scroll element, on scroll, or after inactivity. And because this module inside the pop-up, you build your content using the Divi built-in modules, or any third-party modules. So if you use the email opt-in module, you get all the integrations that module already has in Divi. So you can create lead capture forms or pop-ups basically using this plugin. So let me show you how it works from the backend. Here is a teaser demo page, which is just a part of the page, the landing page. As you can see, this is the model pop-up, and this is a full screen pop-up. So I have two pop-ups working on this page, and let me show you the page. This is how the page looks from the front end, and from back end, in the builder. This is the section on the front end, and then below it has two more sections, four more sections basically, which are the pop-up section for this one, this one, this, and this. I have not created these four for now. So these four pop-up sections are on the same page available, but hidden from the audience. So while creating your pages, you can start creating your pop-up section or raw as well. Like this, I'm using this raw, in which I have this background image on the left column, and then I have these text modules and this social icon modules. As you can see, this is the social media follow icon module. So you can take whatever modules inside your pop-up content, because your pop-up is basically the Divi section or raw. So once you have designed your pop-up content, you simply need to make either your raw or the complete section convert to the pop-up. So in this case, I have converted to the raw to the pop-up. As you can see, I've converted this to the pop-up. The pop-up position is center, and let me show you how it works. Here it is. So this is the same pop-up I have configured from here. Center pop-up trigger is custom, because I have linked it to this image module over here. So the placement is in line, overlay is disabled, so you could not see any overlay here, and blah blah. There are some other settings as well for the custom close button settings. You can see the close background color, etc. This is the close button. It has all the settings are the power is basically highly customizable for you. So there are a bunch of settings for you to configure once you enable this option, either on the raw and or the section. So this section will get hidden on the front end for the user and will only be triggered as a pop-up via your trigger. Like in this case, I'm triggering it via this image which says model pop-up. All right, so similarly, if you see this one, it is a full screen pop-up I've created, right? And it is here. So this is the full screen section I've created, and I just enabled this option and then configured the pop-up settings and done. This is how easy it is. So in this section, as you can see, I'm using the full withdraw and then I'm using some content, etc. um, the button, and you can, this is the most versatile, this should be the easiest pop-up when I say this. So as you can create your pop-up content right inside your current page and simply enable this option here, and it will turn this section to a pop-up. This is how easy it is. So hope you like it and try it out, and keep forwarding your feedbacks or suggestion to improve the plugin. Thank you for watching.